We're at the mall. Dito, Hollister. Mamili kami ng shoes at saka pants ni Cassie. And shoes na rin ni Kent. Kent, look. There's so many. Go inside. Okay, go in. Hold on, let's look. Maybe he finds something here. Nice shoes in here. New Balance. You don't like that brand? Dami nilang benta dito. Try it on. Ah, okay, that's not bad. That's New Balance. Oh, okay, something different.
What? Just try on the stupid shoe.
She's crazy.
Yeah,
What's the size?
Huh?
Nothing.
What?
8.5. Dito kami kasi just go look for your pants. Meron akong ano dito eh. Dito ko binili yung aking
Halter top.
this, yes. Just go look for your pants, girl. It's okay. Oh, this is nice. I like this. Uy,
It's right there.
sexy. Where? Dito ko binili yung aking mga halter na ano eh. Don't you like this kind, right?
Yeah.
You should get you.
Should I?
Mm-hmm.
What's my size? Small.
Small, but if you want not too tight, you go for medium. Because they have like a little cheap 2XS.
Yeah.
White is not bad. Ito, gusto ko to. Blue and white. Siguro I'm gonna go for medium. Okay. Medyo mahal lang dito, guys. But oh, ito, medium. Ah, ganon. Mahilig ako sa ganito eh. Tapos short. What you got?
Oh, this is nice. I saw the option.
Yeah, here. Ito naman kay Cassie. Alright, let's go for the pants now. Sobrang ganda kasi ng quality ng cotton on. Pero naman, ang mahal. Kasi tingnan mo. Tingnan nyo naman ang sweatpants na ito. Magkano yan? But I like it.
Get it. It's bootleg.
What's that mean?
It goes like curved and it's like baggy on the bottom, but it's tight on the
That's
top.
okay. But I'm not getting it yet. It's not even hot yet. Maganda yung quality dito. Mahal lang. So go. Start looking for your pants. We're not here for being a princess. We're here to buy a pants. May mga leggings din sila, oh. It's like Oreo leggings. Ay, pak. Ang gaganda ng leggings nila, oh. Mili na siya. Yes?
What's my size?
You did not look at your koan? Oh, no.
Well, since you're 28, should I go for 25?
I don't think so. You should look at your pants, the one that fits. Hindi na daw siya.
Only 26.
Try that one too. Why don't you try 25 and I mean different style. You want me to hold your phone?
No, I'm good.
Okay. How about right here? There's black. Dito naman kayo sa Tilly's. So much shoes. Jeans and pants. Buy one, get one. Oh, really? Because a lot of So, I don't know if she can get pants here. Hindi natin alam. Kasi so far, wala pa po siya nakitang pantalon.
I like cotton on the floor.
Well, it's okay. Sometimes there's style that dito naman kami sa Tilis. So,
This is like Ken's kind of clothes.
try it on. Where's the fitting room? It's right there. Thank you. Ito na naman siya sa Tilis. Try. Let's try. It's okay. So let's go. Try it on.
Okay.
Find the fitting room. Sexy, oh. Oh, this is the design I like.
She has these.
Yeah, don't be shy. Yeah, right. Ah, they have that. Here, what up? No. Marami din silang benta-benta here. Magaganda din ang mga quality ng kanilang ano. Oh. Okay, go. Try it on. Ay, we're gone. Far away. Ito yung nabili namin. 2 pants. Yes, is. I'm sorry. What's her name? The one wearing a white t-shirt. She's right there. Can you go get her name?
Like Cheyenne.
Ito yung shoes ni Cassie na kinuha niya. DC. Not bad. And backpack. Jazz.
Keychain.
With a keychain.
So,
Is this for your backpack?
sure.
Just go tingnan nyo naman. $15. For like...
I love my keychains.
Oh, where's the food court, girl?
The other way.
In the other way, let's go back. Alright. Wait, don't say that. We're done shopping for now. Bili lang kami ng dinner ng asawa ko. And then we're gonna go home.
Gotta go see. Go to Maddie's house.
She said she's going to Mary's house. So let's go. Bili tayo ng Mongolian beef ni husband. Finally, Cassandra got her pants. Thank God.
I don't like cotton.
Well, some designs, of course, you Thank you. Oh, what? Grab my tray and then what? I don't know. I don't know. So beef. Excuse me, should I just put everything in the bowl because it's my first time here?
No, okay, you can have whatever meats you like, chicken, pork, beef,
And then all this. Okay, thank you.
towards the end, then we'll grab your plate and mix it.
Thank you.
Do you have any questions about that?
Well, it's better to ask. That's why don't be shy to ask.
I am so shy. I can't talk.
Look, so can you put all the stuff?
What do you want me to do?
No, that's not what I meant. Like all the meats, I don't know. You put the, but I don't think Dad likes that. Maybe onion. So much onion. Ay, niluluto na. Yan. Fresh na fresh. You can really put like double one more because it's like super little.
It's not for Gable. It's not.
Ay. Bili, oh, watch out. Get your con. Bili kami ng pretzel. Ayan.
Such a big bag for a small pretzel.
Oh, that's the one. I don't want that. I want the other one. The mini.
Get one.
I will order again. Order tayo ulit ng ano, ng pretzels. Can I have the bites? Oh, what happened?
Oh. I'm okay.
Oh.
You need help?
No, I got it. Hey guys, so alam niyo naman yun kung ano yung pinamili-mili nila no, kaya hindi na natin ipapakita sa inyo. Pumili kami ng pretzels. And yes. Sa cotton on naman to. Ito akin. Kay Cassie, bumili din siya ng isa. It's a pricey place. Pero kasi, ang quality ang ganda. Kaya gusto ko doon. Babalik nga ako doon kasi meron akong gustong mabili na set. Pero wag muna ngayon. What? Oh. Walking tayo. Pero, malapit na matapos. May silbi talaga yung extra room na ginawa ng asawa ko kasi pwede kami makapag-exercise dito. At saka party room. Diba? Yung mga bata andun. Nasa likod. Naglalaro sila doon. Yan. Laro sila ng ewan ko ano. Anyway. So, nag-walking tayo 35 minutes. Morning and nighttime. Morning sa work namin, pagkatapos ko ng magtrabaho. And then, nighttime dito naman sa aming bahay, sa extra room namin. So yun, so far natapos na kami ng aming back to school shopping, but kasi si Gabriel kasi guys, binilhan ko na yan siya ng paunti-unti. Mga nakaraan pa. So, kailangan ko lang bilhin sa kanya is new backpack and shoes. At saka, no need pa kasi niya ng mga ano, binilan kasi siya ng mga bagong short. Kaya, so, anyway, walking tayo.